In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Fit to Strava. By the end, your activities and health metrics can flow smoothly between the two, helping you keep all your progress in one place. Start by opening the Strava app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load so everything on the home screen is ready. Next, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. Tap it to move into your personal area, where you can manage your account, gear, and connected services. Inside your profile, find the small settings gear icon. This is where Strava keeps all the controls that affect your account and data connections. In settings, scroll until you see the option called Manage Apps and Devices, then tap it. This page lists services that can share information with Strava. You'll see several choices here. Look for Google Fit. Tap Google Fit to open its connection page. This is where you give Strava permission to read and in some cases write fitness data through your Google account. Tap Connect. You'll be prompted to choose a Google account. Select the Google account that you already use with Google Fit, since that's where your health and activity data is stored. If you see multiple accounts listed, pick the one tied to your Google Fit app to ensure the right data syncs. You'll now see a permission screen. Tap Select All to grant Strava the access it needs. This ensures your steps, activities, and other supported metrics can be shared reliably without missing pieces. After selecting all, tap Continue to confirm. Strava will finalize the link and return you to the app. That's it for the connection. From here, Strava and Google Fit will begin communicating. If you don't see data appear right away, give it a little time. Syncing can take a few minutes depending on your recent activity and network connection. For the most accurate results, keep the same Google account active on your device and in Google Fit, and make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. If Google Fit doesn't appear in the list, it often means the app isn't set up on the device or you're not signed into the correct Google account. Opening Google Fit first and verifying the account can help. Also, avoid force closing either app right after connecting. Letting them run briefly in the background helps the first sync complete. You've now connected Google Fit to Strava, setting yourself up for more complete tracking and a clearer picture of your health and fitness journey.